My name's Dave Joseph. I am Head of Technology at All Hallows Catholic High School in Penwortham. After we got the printer, we decided that we wanted to embed it into both Key Stage 3 and Key Stage 4. And in Key Stage 4, it's just really completely changed how our students can think about making their GCSE projects.
My name is Martha, I'm in Year 9 and I go to All Hallows. Today we're learning about 3D printing. We've watched a video on Onshape and we've been designing our nose cones.
My name's Isabella. I go to All Hallows and my year is Year 9. I found it quite easy to do the Onshape and I enjoy doing like technical things and seeing how it works. So I thought it was quite interesting.
I think it's just overall fun. It's really interesting and it's nice to learn new things.
My name is Shivam and I'm in Year 9. I go to All Hallows Catholic School, High School. I want to do like surgery, like I'd be a heart surgeon when I'm older, so like it can like 3D printing like different organs and stuff.
Hi, I'm John and I'm in Year 9 and I go to All Hallows Catholic High School. We came across a problem of designing the fins. They didn't want to extrude, which is to make them bigger, from a 2D drawing to a 3D drawing. So we ended up having to look at what I did wrong and then correct it there.
I'm Blake, I'm in Year 9, I'm from All Hallows Catholic High School. It helps us look at our final project and what's gone wrong and see if we can improve it next time we do it. I want to join the RAF, so it could help us print wings and like body parts for the aircraft, because it's not just plastic or polymer that we use for 3D printing. We can also use different types of like elements and stuff.
Hello, I'm Alan, I'm in Year 9 and I go to All Hallows Catholic High School. I enjoyed doing the nose cone and the actual like rocket part. I've learned how to like round off edges and like how to extrude 2D shapes into 3D shapes.
The wow moments for me have been the GCSE projects. Like I say, you've sort of designed something with a student for a few weeks on Onshape and you think, I wonder if that will come out as good as it looks on Onshape. And they do, and then we spray paint them and they look even better, and you all of a sudden got this amazing project which looks like it could be sold in a shop. A big thanks. Like I say, we wouldn't have been able to do any of this without that 3D printer. We wouldn't have been able to do it as well as we've done it without the training.
I'd say thank you for the opportunity that I could have like learned a bit more on 3D printing and everything.
Thank you for this opportunity, and it's taught me a lot.
I'd like to say thank you and like for helping us realise what kind of stuff we can do in the future.
I'd like to thank them for what they've like helped us to achieve and the fact that they've actually helped us.
Thank you.